Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to be covering all of the various hardware requirements across the different versions of Windows Server. We'll be covering from Windows Server 2016 all the way up to the current Windows Server 2025. Before we get started with this video, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so as a part of this video, we put together an Excel spreadsheet that covers all of the different hardware requirements by version. We'll have this listed in the video description if you want to download it and have it for future reference. All right, let's jump on the computer. All right, guys, so here is that spreadsheet that we've put together. As you can see, we've grouped it by the Windows Server release year. So we have 2016, 2019, 2022, and 2025. Now, as we can see across all of the versions, we're going to need to have a 64-bit processor with a minimum speed of 1.4 gigahertz. The newer versions of servers starting at 2022 are going to require SSE2. Now, below what the minimum requirement is, we've also included a line for the recommended hardware. The general recommendation is to have a 2 gigahertz or faster 64-bit processor. Okay, let's move on to the memory. So we will actually have the same memory and RAM requirements throughout all the various versions of Windows Server. However, we will see a recommended amount increase for Windows Server 2025, with that recommended amount being 16 gigabytes or more. All right, so for storage, we've got 32 gigabytes on 2016 and 36 on the rest. And then we will see a slow increase for the recommended storage amounts as well. We have 100 or more on Windows Server 2016 and 2019, and then we see 120 on 2022 and 160 on 2025. All of the versions will require a gigabit Ethernet adapter. And then here we have some graphics requirements as well. It doesn't look like there will be any change between the versions of Windows Server. So we've covered some of our recommendations as well as the hardware requirements across the different versions of Windows Server. Now, hopefully you found some of our key takeaways helpful. And one more thing that we wanted to mention is that if you're running a GUI-based installation, so one with a graphical user interface, it's generally recommended to consider higher specs for better performance in that case. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we went over, please drop those in the comments below and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topics. If you have any ideas of your own, we strongly encourage you to let us know in the comments. Most requested video topics get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.